This is Loop, a project on sustainable urban food growing, and what we really want is for food to be grown closer to where people live. Our work revolves around simplifying urban farming. This is simply growing produce in a city and is known to be better for societies, the environment, and our health. Keeping even a household plant alive is so complicated that growing actual food feels like a mythical process. The seeming complexity keeps us dependent on highly unsustainable agricultural practices. So Loop wants to make urban farming so doable that it doesn't make sense not to do it. Loop is a standalone food growing system with a modular design. Plants sit inside pods that are slotted into the holes you see on Loop. It uses a technique called aeroponics, where the plant roots get misted with a nutrient-rich solution. Excess water is looped all the way back into the water reservoir and is reused, making it water efficient. Loop isn't just a piece of technology, though. It's also a service. Its users receive a monthly delivery of the plants that they would like already in their reusable pods. Loop is paired with an application which alerts users when to interact with it, whether it be to harvest or change the water. By taking all the guesswork out of growing, Loop facilitates a real change in how we grow our food. Typically, the food we buy travels to us from very far away. This food racks up a lot of environmental damage during its journey. Over-consuming water, expelling greenhouse gas emissions, and creating food waste are just some of the damages. When a system like Loop is used, there's very little water loss. There's also little distance for food to travel, so there are far fewer greenhouse gas emissions released. This local solution can have tremendous global impact.